when you collect karma, once the karma remains dormant, it remains inactive until a situation comes that triggers it to open. So when a situation comes that it triggers it to open, you experience that karma. So what happens is, if you offer that to the Buddha and you wish for happiness and health or business, your business goes up, you get good health. But once you receive that benefit, then the karma is finished. It is extinguished. So hence, it's almost like wasting that action. Whereas if you offer a butter lamp to the Buddha and you pray for other people's happiness, other people's welfare, other people's benefit, and you truly mean it, and it's real, it's not something you just do for the moment, you really do it, and you offer it, you collect merit. So when that merit is triggered, what happens? You will become the cause of other people's happiness. Either you become someone that can be a benefit to them medically, physically, emotionally, financially, you'll be a benefit to others. And you will also get long life. And you will also have happiness. So happiness and long life is a given. So what happens is that action, when triggered, is continuous. It doesn't finish. So in every single lifetime you are born, you will always receive the benefits of offering that butter lamp. The difference, like this: if you have an amount of money and you put that in the bank, that money, you don't touch the principal, you just live off the interest. Always you'll be safe. But if you touch the principal and it runs out, you're finished. Karma is like touching the principal. Merit is like touching the interest alone.